Hey you guys, I'm going to share with you guys how I apply my false lashes. I just opened up the box of lashes that I'm going to use today. They are the V-Lux by INV. They are the Malia brand. So yeah, these are the Malia brand. I have my lash glue. Oh, lash glue. I just woke up. Lash glue. I have the Ardell Lash Grip Eyelash Dark Adhesive. So this is what the glue I'm going to be using to apply my lashes. And then I have me a pair of tweezers to use to just make sure everything is in place and perfect. And then at the same time, I have long nails and I always use my nails as well to help me apply my lashes. So yes, let's apply the glue to the lashes and let's get started. Okay, you guys, I'm taking my dark adhesive and applying it to the lash line. You just need a small amount. Please do not apply too much because in the end, you will not like the way it looks. It will be very messy. A little goes a long way. I am going in and applying dark adhesive to the second lash. So at this point, I will have lash glue applied to both lashes and ready to dry so I can apply them and be popping, honey. So now I'm just gonna let the lashes sit there for a minute and dry. You want the glue to be a bit more tacky before you apply it. So do something else for a minute and let it sit there, get a little tacky before you apply the lashes, okay? The lashes are dry and ready to apply. I'm gonna make sure I'm holding the lash the way that I would like to apply it to my lash line. I have my mirror to help me position this lash in the perfect place. This was kind of hard to get the angles correctly, so I hope you can see well. But what I do is I apply the lash to my lash line, and then last I apply the lash to my inner corners to make sure everything is positioned perfectly. Now I'm going in to apply my second lash. It's best if you look down and apply the lash directly to your lash line. Use your tweezers to position the lash perfectly. Sometimes the inner corner can be kind of tricky, so just take your time and ensure the lash is in the perfect location. At this point, I'm taking my finger and pushing the lash towards my lash line to ensure it's in the right location. And I'm going in afterwards with my tweezers just to tweak it a little bit more and just make sure it looks perfect. So to basically sum this up, I suggest placing the lash on your lash line, applying the outer corner, and then taking your time with the inner corner. So at this point, I'm just gonna let them sit there for a minute and let them dry before I apply the mascara on top of it and give it that full effect. Okay, so I've sat here for a minute to let the lash glue just dry more. I can say I sat here for about 3 minutes or so. I just want to make sure that the lash glue is dry before I go in and apply the mascara, because you do not want to apply the mascara and then the lashes are not fully secure, and then yeah, you don't have to start all the way overseas. Okay, so yeah, let's get into the mascara to really give this the full effect. Okay. When I apply mascara to my lashes, I like to go in and apply the mascara to the base of my lashes. I also go in and apply the mascara to the ends of my lashes, as you can see right now. I feel like applying the mascara to the ends of your lashes and the base as well makes it look more realistic, and that's what we need. We need the lashes to blend with your natural lashes. And I'm just gonna say I go overboard with the mascara because I feel like that's what really makes it look natural. Okay, so if you like, dang, when she gonna stop? Your girl not stopping no time soon. Okay, these lashes has to be popping. Okay. my lashes look very natural today. I don't have on my dramatic lashes, unfortunately, for the day. I wanted to tone it down because I'm just going to lunch, and I feel like sometimes I'm just like, all the time, and I just need to tone it down. Okay. So this is a natural look. I have applied my lashes. They are secure. Your girl don't have any worries. And I just want to say thank you guys for checking in and watching this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Drop video suggestions down below if it's anything specific you want to see. I want to thank you guys for entering the giveaway. The giveaway winners will be released after this clip is over, and I want to say congratulations to you guys. I don't know who won yet, just because this is pre-recorded and it's Christmas Eve at about 11 a.m. so the giveaway is not over yet. People still have the chance to enter right now. Thanks you guys once again, and stay tuned for the winners of the giveaway. Bye. Hey you guys, right now I'm about to pull all of the comments from the video I posted for my cash giveaway, and I'm using a YouTube random comment picker. I'm not choosing the winner on my own. I'm gonna let it be generated. I decided to do 2 winners, and I'm gonna cash app 2 winners $50. I just thought that was the best way to give, you know, more people chances of winning more than just choosing one person. Y'all, your girl is just all over the place this morning. Like, I probably sound like it too. I'm tired. Christmas Eve was crazy, and I had to wake up an hour earlier before I thought I would, because just everything is just all over the place today. Okay, so let's get deep into this and see who gonna get some money, honey. And I'm gonna post on the screen as I cash app these people, because yeah, I ain't got no reason to lie, boo. If I say I'm gonna do something, best believe I ain't gonna do it, okay? Elise London. So I'm gonna cash app her. I just gotta go to the video and make sure I have her cash app and everything right. So Elise London is the first winner. So she's gonna get $50 today for Christmas. The second winner is, oh, and you know what? I should show you guys. My screen is cracked, but if you see it, her comment popped up, and more than likely her cash app is connected to that. So yeah. Next person, the second winner is Big Bows and Glitter. Big Bows and Glitter, and I'm gonna show you right now that it pulled up her comment. It generated her comment. So the first one was Elise London, I believe, and the second one is Big Bows and Glitter. See you guys, that's the second winner. Both of these ladies are getting $50 today for Christmas. I have to generate another winner because Elise London, she commented on the video, but she didn't leave her Instagram or either Cash App. And I know if she's watching this, she's probably gonna be pissed off, but girl, just enter next time. And yeah, so I can't, it wouldn't be fair for me to choose her. So now I have to randomly select another winner. As you can see right now, it's still on the last winner I named, which was Big Bows and Glitter. So yeah, let me generate another winner. It's Charnay. So she will receive $50 today for Christmas, and I've already had this right here as proof that she was generated. Merry Christmas to everybody. I'm about to get up, get ready, get dressed, wake up some more because your girl had a long night. And I hope you guys enjoy your Christmas day, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.